Hey fam, this is Wilson. I had the Cameron farm again. I got my skid steer here. I'm going to clear out some of this brush here. It's been here for a couple years, and it's just about that time to clear it out. So I'm gonna take my bobcat, aka skid steer, and clean it up. Let me walk all the way to the back of it. I want to at least clean it up to the fence line here, but just some brush here. There's spiders around this year, but I'm not gonna be able to get back here because I got some structure right here. I got so many spiders. See these spiders right here? Let's stick at them. Stick anything. Let me get these spiders, man. Spiders are pretty bad this time of the year. I get cold, so yep, see. I sprayed this could be a bedding area right here, but I'll tear it up. But again, this is just a structure I was gonna start last year, put my dogs on to keep them off the ground. These spiders are crazy. They're everywhere, guys. Get this real quick. Let me get through here. Sticker bride's trying to get me. I'm trying to walk through here. See if I can make it through here. Let's see. Yeah. Back to the other side. Well, this section here, I'm gonna clean it out. I sprayed down here earlier this year. As you can see, it killed everything. I got a fence. I got a ladder in there. Some wood here. A fence panel that I'm gonna just throw up here. But all this right here needs to be pushed back. This pond, I need to clean up this pond when the fall get here. There's just a lot of snakes, water moccasins around my pond. But I'm going to push all this stuff back here. But look at these spiders. These spiders over here. These type of spiders are everywhere. And that's like a female. And the male is that little one. That's a female and that's a little male right there. There's another female up there. Is there any other males around? I see one male right here. But I was told that these spiders, once that male breeds with this female, she eat them. So, but there's a lot of these type of spiders around here this year. I mean, a ton of them. But, see, there's another set. There's a female right here and the male right with her. So when she's ready to breed, he's gonna breed her. And she's gonna probably eat them. It's just the way it goes. And it's another set right here. They everywhere, see? Okay, it's hard for you to see, but you see the spiders, right? The female and the male. Female and a male. A couple males right here. But they're everywhere. But let me get back to the skid steer. I'm gonna record from the skid steer. I'm gonna try that out again today. And then we'll see how it goes. But it's a ditch, that's where the water flows from the property, top of the property, and flows down this way and goes to the lake, the neighbor's lake. And so I'm gonna get on the skid steer, and then I'm going to try to clean out this section first. Then I'm gonna work my way around there. So stay tuned. Well, that was that. All right, like I stated before, I wanted to clear out this section here. Let me take it from the other angle. Well, at the beginning of the video, but dusty. This section had all that brush in it, so I just cleared it out. This stuff right here, I can get my lawnmower. I'm gonna leave these logs in here to stop the water flow because the water comes from this way down. And so I'm gonna throw a couple things in the way of this path to slow it down, slow the water down so it doesn't wash so much away. But I want to come out here and clean up some more of this property. As I always state to you guys, it's just a blessing to be able to do it. But again, all that stuff right there was here. This fall, I'm gonna let all it die, and then I may get it up and move it as another place. I'll burn it up. I can put it right here and just burn it up, which I can still do now. But I want to let some of that green stuff die away, and then I may push this back where it was at originally. This is the boat trailer for that boat sitting on the ground there. Let's walk down here. We can see this section. This section had a lot of stuff in it. Had a ladder. We had a fence post, a kennel post for my dogs. This section, this platform, I'm going to. I have 2 dogs that's up near the house. I'm probably gonna put them on this platform here, and so that they are away from the house because I'm gonna extend the house out where they're currently located. And then, as you can see, I clean this section out here again. I could put trailers down here that I'm not using right away. Not so much on that side, but over here I can put some trailers, the boats. Matter of fact, I'm gonna move these boats over here out the way. So when I'm cutting grass, I can just get up in there and cut that like the rest of the grass, as you can see. But yeah, that's a good idea. I can move these boats over here. But yeah, just wanted to get out here and do some things. I cut my grass today, which takes maybe about an hour or so, an hour and a half. Again, it's a 10-acre lot, but I'm primarily cutting what's up by the house and around the house. But just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing on the property. That skid steer, you know, you gotta have one on the farm. Appreciate my dad for letting me get it off of him because he got a newer one. But this is the one that he had. He took real good care of it, and so he wanted to upgrade, and so I got this one from him. And it's a blessing to be able to do that. But as you can see here, grass is green for now. Just trying to maintain my land and keep it to where I can work it, you know. And so having equipment is definitely a plus so that you can keep it maintained. If I didn't have this skid steer, I probably had to try to bush hog it with my tractor, but I definitely needed something of that magnitude on the farm to be able to keep it maintained. But this is Wilson at Kimberline Farm. This is a Monday. I want you all to like, subscribe, and leave comments to this video. I appreciate you all and all that you do for your families, for us. Just be good people, man. It's just what I do, and so I'm just grateful and blessed to be able to do it. Like again, if you get something from the video, just like it, subscribe. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just want to show you some things that we're doing here on the farm and maybe inspire you to do some things for yourself, whether it's farm related or just in life. But again, thank you again for your time. I'm signing out.